Hello and welcome to the Mistake Media. And other stories, lead Zimbabwe political party leader Linda Masarira, who ran for the 2023 elections and lost, says that the country needs more years to focus on development, growth and nation building. So she supports the extension of the president's term from 5 years to 7 years, meaning that Mnangagwa should rule to 2030.
It is very important for Zimbabweans to embrace and to think deeply about voting for a president in parliament, because I think that is the best foot forward, especially for a young democracy like Zimbabwe. So as Labour economists and African Democrats, we are in support for voting for the president in parliament. We are also supporting the term extension to 7 years, because from our perspective, we need more years. We need more years to focus on development, on growth, on nation building, on reconciliation.
For more stories, please do like and subscribe.